lot of love from 12, but I don't reciprocate. 51 division, stay controlling when it's late. 21, my Addy, so the knife is on the gate.
Oh, Lord, now I see what Jesse be talking about. No, but we finna go.
He will be waiting.
Oh, baby, I ain't finna wait. Cause I gotta get you to the school. Have a good day at school. Learn something. Get an A. Love ya. And make sure you don't get in no trouble. This your last week here.
I won't.
No trouble. Peace out, brother.
Oh, brother.
Uncle. Bye, Uncle Jeffrey. Took Jeff to school on my way to Starbucks and Walmart, Wally World. There's a few things I need to pick up. So y'all, we made it to Starbucks. But y'all already know what I'm gonna get. The same thing. Where my lip gloss?
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. My name is Leslie. What are we getting started for you today?
Good morning. Can I have a double shot of espresso iced in a venti cup with extra ice, please?
1 second. All right, what else are we doing to that?
And that'll be all.
Do you have your name?
Joyce.
Oh, hey, Joy. Okay, it is going to...
See how she thinks she know me, but she don't know me because I said Joyce. And she talking about Joy. Baby, that ain't my name. Baby, that is not my name. Nope, my lip gloss gone. But y'all gotta fix somebody's nails today. If y'all didn't know, I do nails. Thank you. Book with your girl. But her nail popped off, so I gotta fix it, right? And I don't mind fixing it. The problem is I ran out of nail glue. So, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
See y'all. I got the goods. Y'all already know what I'm about to add to it. And oh, yeah, that baby had me up late. Knowing I have to get up early. And that's why I don't like that. Because he be thinking I'm a joke. And I know I ain't no joke. And he know I ain't no joke. Oh, y'all ain't nobody in Walmart. Is Walmart open? Baby, I could park in front of the door. If I want to, ain't nobody here. What in the world? But that's okay. I'm just gonna add this protein shake. And my favorite creamer. And then I'll see y'all instead.
You know I love you, girl. With my heart and soul. You mean everything to my heart, yeah. Everything to my soul. Love me, JJ, love me tender. Love me, JJ, love me tender. Baby, you mean so much to me. You're my everything.
Wait, you gotta lift it up. I'll fix it for you. There you go. Yeah, support it at the base. Don't hold my hand, hold your bottom. Not my hand, your bottom. Ah, you got lazy now, eh? What happened to when you eat and you sleep while you're eating? Now your eyes will be open wide. Will be active, stretching your legs. We're doing yoga while you're eating.
How he be, Jesse? When he eating?
So when he's eating.
Mm-hmm.
Here. Hold your bottle like, hey, like you did earlier. Boom, there you go. Second hand. Place it. There you go. I wish you can lean this backwards, right?
You know, I'm back. And so I made Jesse breakfast. And this is what it was, a scramble. And in the midst of that, they turned our water off because they having some plumbing issues in our building, which is stupid because they never send a letter or anything like, oh, we got the water off for a couple minutes, hours, or whatever. So it just came back on, but I'm gonna get ready to wash the dishes in a few minutes. But in the meantime, I'm about to make me lunch. I'm not gonna eat out this bowl, but I'm just gonna make it out of here. I'm making me a Southwest Chipotle salad from Sam's. Y'all, this is my favorite salad. Favorite. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me do that.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything.
Ooh, that's a big one. Good job. Good job. You want some more? You want your last milk? Here you go. Yeah. Welcome back. It is the next day, and it is a snow day. The kids had school online today, and they stayed at home, which I don't like. But it's snowing pretty bad. I'm going to show y'all that in a few. I think I want to take that baby out just to get a little touch of snow. I might just take him out on the balcony. Just so he can touch the snow, because it is snow Christmas and it's snow New Year. So the snow is completely pointless at this point. But it's snowing pretty bad. Pretty bad. And let me see. I'm gonna take y'all. Hold on 1 second. And then y'all, I need to take this down. When did y'all take down y'all Christmas tree? But I don't know if it's gonna focus. Y'all see? Baby, it's this snow. It won't even do right. Let's see. There we go. Y'all see the snow? Jeff Wade. Y'all, it is snowing. Your mommy ain't gotta go to work. Stand for me. So sad. For me. But like I said, I need to take this tree down, so I think that's just what I'm gonna do. You said you gotta go to work.
I wish I can call up.
You can. I mean, it's a new year. Did your point? I mean, did your time just start? Your vacation time and stuff? Oh, that's in April, right?
For what?
June, when your vacation hours and stuff start back on.
Started already. But I gotta go make money for my family.
What family you got? Your family in Nigeria?
Shit,
Your
I'm
wife?
my own family. My wife and kids in Nigeria, yeah.
Why you wash your face over?
Just... Oh, you applied all the stuff, right?
Yeah. He loves sleeping in the big bed. You're knocked out. So I'm about to take a nap since Jesse about to go to work. What's up?
Oh, I was actually just.
What's that? His keys?
I don't like it.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Love ya.
Love you. Have a good day.
You too. Don't kiss him. Don't kiss him, because I'm finna take a nap. Don't kiss him, Jesse. I'm finna take a nap. Now he woke. Now he gone here. He finna take him to work with you. So, see y'all after this nap.
Struggling with the highs and lows of bipolar 1? Ask about Vraylar, because you are...
Guess who up from his nap? You sleep good. Ooh. Say, Mama, I did sleep good. You wanna go outside and see the snow? Okay, come on. So, y'all, I am back, and the nap never even happened. So, the baby woke. We're gonna make him a bottle. And then we're gonna take down the tree. Yeah, and the lights in the hallway. So, my Jeff feed him while I do that. And hopefully I can be done by the time he's done. So, let's see. Good morning. It's the next day, obviously. Y'all, we fell asleep. Nah, I fed him. We fell asleep. Baby, we didn't wake up till 11. I wasn't finna bring no camera. I was trying to get that little baby to bed. He ain't go to bed till 4 a.m. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with him. Baby, you can't. Mama tired. But I just took Jeff to school. And I'm on my way to Starbucks. I gotta go to Wally World. I gotta get some stuff. I want to make tacos for Jeff for dinner. I'm gonna eat my meal prep, and then Jesse gonna eat his goat and jollof rice. So I'm gonna see if he got a video. Maybe I'll put the video in, but I don't know. But yeah, I woke up feeling so good. I woke up feeling so refreshed. Like, I'm really, really refreshed. They said they got a BOGO. What they got a BOGO at? Because ain't no BOGO today. I know that for sure.
Joy, how are you?
All right, and you?
Hi. Do you need a straw today?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Thank you.
Got it?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you. Have a good day. Y'all, I love Leslie. That's the manager. When I used to, I used to go in here every day. Every day. Because I would buy the cups and I'll be looking for these particular cups or whatever. And she'll be like, oh, this is coming in, this is coming in. She was real nice. I liked her. But if y'all didn't know, Wally World right next to Starbucks. So I'm gonna park in a parking lot, and then go up in here and do what I need to do. I did make a list. It's just a few little things I gotta get. Like I stated, some for the taco night. I want to do some. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna talk to y'all after after I park. I want to park on the other side. Like I was saying, well, I was about to say, as y'all know, I just had my Tinky Man a few months ago or whatever. And that's cool. It ain't no problem with that. I love my baby. I love Jesse. Jesse love us as well. You know, I love Jeffrey. But my thing is, I spent, since he made me a stay-at-home mom. Damn, the straw broke. Oh. Okay, like I was saying, so Jesse made me a stay-at-home mom or whatever. He made me a stay-at-home mom, and Jesse works. And Jesse also is a photographer. If y'all didn't know, Jesse is a professional photographer. He do bomb work. He do all my pictures. He got a good little clientele or whatever. So with that being said, like, he work all the time. He work his regular 9 to 5, and then when he not working, he do the shoots, right? So cool. But I feel like, you know how they say people have like the roommate stage after they have a baby? Like, I don't want that to happen, but I feel like it's happening. Because if he not making money for us, like, he be sleep because he be tired. Like I said, he do get the baby still when he get off work, which is real late in the evening. And then, like, he'll get up with the baby. Like, now I'm out the house. He with the baby. Or he'll take Jeffrey to school, you know, which is still early in the morning, and then he'll come home and then he'll get the baby, you know. And I just feel so bad, and I don't want him to feel like I'm not appreciative of him and everything he do. And I don't want us to lose ourselves in a situation or be the roommate and then continue to make it a roommate. So I want to try and do something nice for us tonight because he is off. He did take off, so he is off. I want to do like a sip and paint, kinda. So I'm gonna go in Walmart and try and find some canvases, because we got paint at home. He a painter too. Like, Jesse do his thing. Jesse do a lot of things, and I just want him to know, like, I'm here, you know. Like, even though he know I'm here and I love him, like, I want some us time. Like, I feel like since the baby been here, like, we'll have no us time, because I don't have nobody like watching my baby. I don't have nobody to come and get the baby for a couple hours, you know. Like, it's just my family, which is Jesse, Jeffrey, and baby Jess. So I think I'm gonna do that tonight. I think I'm gonna try and put the baby in the bed early and do a sip and paint. So let me go in the store and get some stuff, and then I'll take y'all with me. We'll be there. Coffee. Go hit every time. I'm back, y'all. I ended up letting my batteries charge. I took a nap, so I'm in my pajamas, so whatever. And I'm gonna do this haul. I ended up going to Ross and Walmart. Yeah, so we're gonna start with Ross since it got the least amount of things. I just got a few things for the baby. I got some bigger bottles, some 9-ounce bottles. I opened them already, because I wanted to see how they look. But these are little bottles. These are so cute. Because, y'all, that baby drinking 6 ounces. I think that's why he be up. So hopefully these 6 ounces make him go to sleep tonight. So his mommy and daddy can have some mommy and daddy time. Okay, okay. Then I bought this. Oh, yeah, I bought this. Right here, I bought this. I feel like this is so cute. So he could take his picture. He need to take his 3 months. I still ain't took him, y'all. He gonna be about 4 months by the time I take it. But it's okay. And then I can have my little outfit. It's cute. He probably wore this on church on Sunday. I don't know yet. But I thought that was just so cute. And then I got me exfoliating body gloves. Gotta live with them. Can't live without them. And then I got me some paintbrushes for tonight. And I also got me some paintbrushes because we We do paint a lot in this house, like Jeffrey a painter too. And I paint some things sometimes. Then I always got to use their brushes. I don't like using their brushes because their brushes like detail for them. You know, like it's customized to them. And then when it's ready for me to use it and I want to use it, it don't be right. So I got me some brushes. Start off with cheese. Y'all, we love cheese in this house. We're going to eat us some cheese. So these for the taco. Even though we don't normally use lamb, I had ate lamb on a taco recently. It was so good, y'all. Oh, it was so good. Oh, okay. It was so good. I need to go back to Trader Joe's and get some jicama wraps with some jerk chicken. Make some jerk chicken taco. Put the lamb on that, but it be good. I bought some tortillas. I bought this salsa. If y'all ain't never cooked y'all tacos, meat with salsa in it, baby, go change the game. Don't say I ain't put y'all on. I got some Jarnier peppers. These save me. I eat these with almost every meal, especially when I'm on a diet. I wonder. Oh, there's a lot of calories. I ain't never noticed that, but they do for me. Then I want to try this sugar-free balsamic vinaigrette. Yeah, I want to try this. Then I want to try the sugar-free Italian as well. The parm peppercorn marinade. I want to try this on some chicken. I feel like this would be so good. Or if you let it marinate overnight, honey. Man, or even put it in my little stir fry. And then I got some stir fry sauce. I actually got stir fry, and it's good but nasty. I feel like I want to stop eating chicken. Like, chicken nasty to me now. I don't know. Any meat, it just tastes so nasty. So maybe I'll just do fish. I don't know yet. I got Jesse another naked, cause I'ma get naked. But it's Mighty Mango. And then I got me some more coffee for my morning protein coffee. 2024, and my little baby ain't pooped. So his doctor said get him some prune juice. So I got 100% prune juice. And just prune juice. He get 2 ounces and he warm it up and he go poop. So, and then I got these cute plates for tonight. For our little date night thing. And Almond Joy is Jesse's favorite candy. Then I got this pepperoni and pepper jack cheese. I got some red pepper hummus. Y'all. These with some cucumbers and or carrots. Top notch. Don't say I ain't put y'all on again. So I'm trying to be a little bit romantical. I got some rose petals. Y'all know they on sale because Valentine's Day. $1 Walmart. $1 Walmart. And then I got us some easels. I got the 8x10. And I'm going to look on Pinterest or something and get a picture that I want to draw on there. And then I bought some tea lights because I can't find my other ones. So I'm going to light the tea lights all in the living room and put the flowers down, get the little hors d'oeuvres. We got an ornament, so I'm going to use the ornament instead of a easel. You know what? Didn't I call these an easel? This ain't no easel. These canvases. What? Oh, I guess I'm still tired. But yeah, so I'm not going to get the easel. I'm going to use the ornament, put them on. I'm going to put the rose petals on the floor and on the thing in the middle. And then I'm going to put a few candles. I'm going to put the snacks. I'm going to get the wine. I'm going to put us on some smooth jazz. And we're going to have us a time. And then I just got a little small plan I can keep in my purse for the stuff that I want to do for the year of 2024. Because this is my year. And that's all that I got. So I'll show y'all how the setup is later. Oh, I gotta get cute. I gotta do my makeup and my hair so I could be turned to a little that. Okay, because right now he gonna be like, no girl, thank you. Okay. Y'all. Oh, yesterday I didn't do nothing. So I don't know if I even ended yesterday. But I slept. What am I always doing? When my iron low, all I want to do is sleep. And my iron is really low. So all I want to do is sleep. Yeah, y'all see how I did that? Look. Let me look like a teacher. Put my glasses on. Well, y'all, I silk press. I'm going to just call it flat iron my hair. Now look at the hair growth. Yeah. Okay. But today we're going to be a little bit productive. Since I've been asleep the last few days, I took me some iron pills. So hopefully they give me a little bit of energy for the day. So today I made a to-do list on things that I needed to do. So it's just a handful of things. So I want to take my tree down, y'all. The tree's still up. When did y'all take y'all tree down? Oh. The tree's still up. When did y'all take y'all tree down? Let me know. I want to do baby Jessie laundry today. I need to vacuum the floors. I already washed and flat ironed my hair. I did that this morning. So, and then I want to take Jessie pictures for the 3-month thing, like I showed y'all yesterday about that little thing, and I still ain't take the picture. But by the time he's 6 months, I guess I'm be ready to take 3 months. It's gonna be pointless, but I'm gonna try and get that done today. So let's go so we can take down the tree. Y'all see the sunlight? Gotta look so beautiful with the yellow in the background. Baby, this is it. I need to be right here all the time, baby. I look so cute. And the look.
Baby, this is it. Oh, yeah.
You see how I did that? Don't play with me. I want you to.
Y'all see the sunlight on my face? Oh, it looks so nice. Oh.
I do my skin glowing. Oh, Lord. Is it just I needed some sun? Because it's been gloomy because it's not.
Oh, baby, yeah, look at my skin. My skin glowing.
Make me swinging. Make me harder. Make me
making you hot.
breath. Make me water. One of us smell like the baby. Is it me?
You.
So, let's get to it.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Y'all, guess who woke up in the middle of me trying to clean up the living room? Say I did. Say, cause that's my business. Yeah. So, since he up and in a good mood, we gonna go and do his picture. Sir. Oh. 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 Vital. Okay, let me go before you start crying.
it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut over my